Nature's Mountain Playground, Pocahontas County, West Virginia. If you've ever been there, you know it boasts some of the most beautiful wilderness you'll ever see and also has some of the best trout fishing in the state. One of Robbie's and my favorite things to do is fish, and there's no place we'd rather go than to Pocahontas County. This year we took 2 spring trips with a couple friends, one in March and one in April. Sometimes we fished the Williams River, sometimes it was Knapp's Creek, or maybe it's called Knapp Creek. I'm not really sure because I've seen both on different signs. Regardless, it's a fun creek with some holes for swimming too. In this video, you can ride along with us beside the Williams River, and you'll be able to see rustic campsites, pull-off areas, pools, and how fairly simple it is to access the water from the road. We were there over a 3-day Easter weekend, so you'll see more vehicles than usual too. The Williams River meanders its way more than 30 miles, mostly through the Monongahela National Forest and Cranberry Wilderness, and it's regarded as one of the top 5 trout fishing streams in West Virginia. The 2024 fall trout stockings are scheduled for the weeks of October 21st and October 28th, and the monster trout contest is on too. 35,000 pounds of the stock trout are trophy size, 1 to 2 pounds. 6,500 pounds are monster trout, 3 to 6 pounds. If you like competition, West Virginia's Gold Rush is in the spring. During those 2 weeks, DNR stocks lakes and streams with West Virginia's very own golden rainbow trout, and 500 of them have tags. Catch one with a tag and you win. Some of the prizes include a lifetime fishing license, overnight stay at a West Virginia State Park, tackle box, gift card. The golden rainbow trout was developed in the mid-50s by a hatchery manager. He had noticed a yellow mottled fingerling. He named it Little Camouflage, and he moved her to a separate rearing pond. Over the next few years, with observation, care, and spawning experiments, there were enough golden trout to be included in the regular stockings across the state. So in 1963, to celebrate West Virginia's 100th birthday, the Gold Rush began. When we go to Pocahontas County, we stay at the Marlinton Motor Inn, which is about 20 minutes from where we start fishing. Our friends stayed at one of the dispersed camping sites right on the Williams. There are 30 rustic sites along the river. There's no hookups for electricity or water, but there are a few pit toilets along the road. They include a picnic table and fire ring, which you see we took advantage of. The sites aren't reservable. They're first come, first served, and you can stay up to 14 days. There's also Tea Creek Campground. It has 28 campsites. They too have a parking spur, fire ring with a grill, trash can, picnic table, lantern hookup, and there's a hand pump for water and 4 vault toilets. Nightly fees are $10, and you can pay that at the self-service station. So what should you know about traveling here? Well, there's no self-service, so prepare for that. You know, paper maps and all that stuff. Also, you'll be in a black bear sanctuary, so you'll want to use the bear-proof trash cages when possible and just be aware of your surroundings. Directions there are pretty simple. From Marlinton, you'll drive up the road a piece, hang a left, and about 10 minutes later, another left, and another left at the T. Or more specifically, you'll take US Route 219 north, 7 miles out of Marlinton. Turn left onto State Route 150, which is the Highland Scenic Highway. Drive about 9 miles to the Williams River Bridge turnoff on the left, then turn another left at the stop sign. It's really easy to find. If any of y'all have ever been fishing on the Williams or been in Pocahontas County in West Virginia, let us know in the comments. Did you camp, stay at an Airbnb or motel, go fishing, hiking, kayaking? Maybe you went to snowshoe or cast scenic railroad. We'd love to hear your experiences. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Hunting season is upon us, and we'll soon be sharing more of the outdoors with you guys. Thanks for riding along. Montani Semper Liberi.